Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Byteway Technologies. Today we will learn what is a LAN tester and why it is important in networking. If you work with internet cables, this video is for you. What is a LAN tester? A LAN tester is a small electronic device used to check network cables like RJ45 and RJ11. It tells us whether the cable is working correctly or not. Example: it checks Ethernet cables used in computers, routers, and switches. Main uses of LAN tester: check cable continuity. It checks if all 8 wires are connected properly. If any wire is broken, tester shows error. Detect wrong wiring. It helps in finding wrong color order, crossed wires, missing wires. LAN tester identify short circuit. If 2 wires touch each other, tester shows short fault. LAN tester confirms straight cable, cross cable, and PO cable basic test. Where LAN tester is used: in home for internet cable testing and router connection checking. In offices for network installation and maintenance work. In schools/labs for computer labs and network setup. Technicians use it for CCTV installation, networking projects. How LAN tester works: we connect one end of cable to main unit and other to remote unit. Then press on button. Lights will blink from 1 to 8. If lights run in order, then cable is OK. If light missing, then there is a fault. If lights are random, then wrong wiring. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe to Byteway Technologies. Comment if you want a video on making LAN cable. Allah Hafiz.